hold up the root. Is that okay?
Shake the...
Should I put the root back?
No.
We picked some vegetables and now we are going to Bruce's uncle's shop. I think it's the only shop in the village. I love this little table setup going on here.
不要。
你不要。
到啊。好。上哪儿？
上哪儿？吃点牛肉饭。
4袋吧。那也不够了。
干嘛？
干嘛？
你干嘛？Oh, fireworks. Oh no.
You can like it.
No, I don't.
Believe me.
So here they have some corn drying and they can use this later to make a fire to cook with, which is similar to what we're about to do, but we're going to use wood. Before we're going to cook, we're going to have some drinks on the roof.
Hello.
Cheers.
Hello.
流量嘞？
好。这样。不对。
Okay, ready?
Okay. Wow. Amazing. 拿菜，炒面。这个灯在哪儿？这个灯
都放那底下。
这朋友在上天来了。
我们听一下。
We just walked outside and there's this goose.
这手还动得闹。
都说，我不知道。
哇！
A little cold this morning, quite brisk. Bruce's mom has asked us to dig up the spring onions in the garden and bring them back home, and she's going to make a dish called Da Panji, which is one of my favourites, so very excited for that. Good morning! Goose is back. Bye. Oh! Don't throw.
I'm broken.
The goose is back. Bye bye, house. Bye bye. Those kids just came and gave me loads of candies. Said bye bye. So cute.
They say bye bye, Dion.
Bye bye, Miss Dion. So cute. They remembered my name. So cute.